Bitcoin is currently creating this massive pattern, and it's about to break out in just a few hours. As you guys can see, we're going to break out in about 17 to 20 hours from now, and maybe even earlier. So I would recommend watching this video until the end, because I'm going to give you guys a lot of information about this pattern. Because this pattern we have been creating now for almost a week right now. I think even more than a week, to be honest, and it's a massive pattern which will play out if we decide to break to the up or downside. We all know that this is a pattern which has a 50-50 chance of breaking to the up or downside. However, in my opinion, the chances are really high that we're going to break to the upside, and I will be definitely trading that. So let me show you guys why I think we're going to break to the upside. First of all, we have this bull flag. We've been creating basically for more than a month right now. This bull flag is really strong. We've been creating it for more than a month, actually almost 2 months now, which is absolutely insane. And we can see that we've been touching the upsides and downsides. However, at some point we have to break out, and I think that's going to be right now. We can see Bitcoin got retested the line again, the downward sloping line, and we got down a bit, but now we're not going to down immediately. And there's a really big chance that we're now going to do something like this, because at some point we have to break out. And if we look at other patterns, the ones I just showed you guys, then this will really make a lot of sense. If we just break out right now, it will make a lot of sense. Also, if we look here on the 4-hour chart, we can see we have massive resistance right here. However, every time we touch a resistance area, the resistance area gets less strong each time. And this is going to be the 5th, or basically the 6th time we're going to touch this resistance area. So I wouldn't rule out a final break of this resistance area, creating new local highs all the way at around $29,000, and potentially even at our local high right here at $30,000, which will be absolutely insane, of course. So yeah, I wouldn't rule out a break to the upside. We can see we're really close to breaking it already. We have to see how this candle closes. We might get down to something like this one more time, and then a break to the upside will make a lot of sense in my opinion. Also, if we look at the 1-hour chart, we can see we created this pattern right here. I told you guys yesterday, of course, is rising wedge. We perfectly broke to the downside. We came back, consolidated a little bit, and I actually opened a long position right here. I already had a long open, but I added more margin right here, and we're currently seeing that we're going to pump to the upside again. So yeah, this wasn't a really big pattern overall. However, like I told you guys, if we do decide to break this area right here, $27,400 to $500, that's also our monthly low, then we could potentially see a lot of upside for Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm really excited right now for that. And we'll keep you guys updated if anything happens to this pattern right here, because this is just a massive pattern, and I will definitely recommend taking a look at it for yourself. You can easily draw it on your chart as well, so you can trade it as well with me. All you do is place a line right here and one line right here on the 1-hour chart, and the same is basically for the 4-hour chart right here of this bull flag. So yeah, these are two major patterns we're currently creating, and if you trade those patterns right, you can potentially make a lot of money. I'm trading myself on Bybit, so I would recommend going to Bybit. It's the first link in the description actually for you guys. I have currently something running where you can get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. If you use my link to sign up, you will genuinely get $30,000 in deposit bonuses if you deposit more than 250k. I know you guys probably aren't going to deposit it, but if you just deposit $3,000, you will get $100, and if you only deposit $100, you will still get a $10 bonus, which is basically free money. So if you want to claim some free money, then I would recommend going to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account using my link, and then we can all trade these patterns with each other, because this is just a major pattern. And when I'm making this video right now, we're trying to break it actually, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is really curious to see if we're going to break it right now, get one more downwards candle, something like this. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated if anything happens to this pattern. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated. So yeah, cheers.